Hi, I'm Frances from Physian, and in this video, I talk about replacing my Samsonite Cruise Air DLX. In 2016, I purchased this luggage for about $200. I was in the market for a hard case, which offered better protection than a fabric-made luggage. Polycarbonate cases like this one are really good at keeping contents dry. True story. I watched a woman's luggage get splashed with water as a car drove over a puddle. Rule number one of travel: keep your clothes in a waterproof container, especially during wet weather. So I'm thinking of getting another polycarbonate case, or a more popular option right now is an aluminum case. The top aluminum case brand is Rimowa, and close competitors are, to me, Zero Halliburton, Arlo Sky, and Way Travel. So I'd like to compare the original cabin by Rimowa and the Continental Carry On by Zero Halliburton to the Samsonite Cruise Air DLX. I usually fly with United Airlines, and the current bag policy includes bringing on board one carry-on bag and one personal item. The carry-on bag should not exceed 22 inches in height, 14 inches in width, and 9 inches in depth. However, none of these luggages actually follow the United Airlines carry-on policy. Fortunately, United Airlines and most airline carriers have been lenient to travelers. These luggages will fit most overhead compartments. In my opinion, the Rimowa original cabin looks the best, but it is the most expensive. A bit of background information on these companies. Samsonite and Zero Halliburton were originally American companies. Now, Samsonite is based out of Germany, while Zero Halliburton is based out of Japan. Rimowa still remains a German company. The Cruise Air DLX was thoughtfully designed. A hand can easily slip through the top handle, which helps to quickly carry the luggage. The push button on the telescopic handle is also easy to press. The original cabin shares similar features with the Cruise Air DLX, as well as a few additional features. The top and side handles are easily accessible and can reset to their resting positions. Likewise, the push button is easy to press and wide enough to operate by most thumb sizes. Two exquisite details that are unique to this luggage is a telescopic handle, which fits like a perfect puzzle piece on the luggage, and the other is the hidden stop points on the telescopic handle. The Continental Carry On has an interesting feature I've never seen before on any other luggage. This feature is a cord holder to hang a small accessory around the metal logo. The top and side handles are tight and are not as easily accessible to grasp with the hand. The push button is very small, and I wouldn't recommend it for frequent use. I'm a big fan of a good interior design. Organization is the second most important factor in considering a luggage. The original cabin is unlike other luggages. The two flex dividers has a zippered compartment and uses adjustable straps with Velcro. This compression system, however, may not be ideal for organizing contents. The Continental Carry On has the best interior design of the three luggages. It has a removable divider with zippered compartment, adjustable straps with belt clip, center zipper pocket, hanger hooks, and other accessory connections. The wheels, along with the handles, are the core of a luggage's operating system. The system is the most important factor in considering a luggage. The wheels and handles must work as a seamless union to maximize a traveler's mobility. The locks, specifically the closure mechanism, should be simple and consistently reliable. The locks on the original cabin is a bit complicated to use, but it may be more secure. The locks on the Continental Carry On sound just like a classic suitcase, but does not seem as reliable as they should be. At a minimum, I recommend a luggage that offers a good operating system, with accessible handles, smooth transitions, and quiet wheels. The locks should be simple and have a consistently reliable closure mechanism. The original cabin is an excellent choice with a hefty price tag. It's incredibly beautiful and cleverly crafted, though there's room to improve the interior design. The Continental Carry On is a definite upgrade from the Cruisair DLX. It has a very good operating system and superior interior design, though I might start to mind the handles and push button after a few trips.